Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. You join me at Caffeine and Machine for Daikoku Night. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, probably not saying it right, but basically it's a Japanese car show which happens in Japan, and they've brought it over here to sort of mimic the car show. As you can see, my car's over there, nice and shiny as always. So we're going to go into the event now. There are some cars here already, so why don't we go over there and take a look. So that is going to wrap up this evening's video. As you can probably see, or probably not see, it is very wet outside, so I'm going to make a move and head home, get something to eat for my dinner because I haven't eaten yet, and it is almost 9 o'clock. So yeah, that's going to wrap up today's video. Hope you guys liked it, and let me know if you want to see more in the future. But until next time, I'll see you all in my next video.